Onboarding affiliates with training videos and resources is crucial to ensuring they succeed and hit the ground running. If you want to onboard affiliates quickly and effectively, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through a fast and easy way to do it, and you'll want to stay until the end because I'm sharing a free trial of the software we'll be using. The first step is creating a streamlined onboarding process. You want to make sure new affiliates have everything they need to succeed right from the start. This begins with clear, accessible training materials that are easy to follow. For training videos, focus on breaking down key processes like how to sign up, how to track their links, and how to use any promotional tools you provide. Now, how do you make these videos engaging? Simple. Keep them short and straight to the point. Your affiliates won't have time for a 30-minute training session. They need something quick and practical. Keep each video under 5 minutes and give them action steps they can apply immediately. This helps them feel empowered and ready to start promoting your product or service. In addition to training videos, you'll want to provide other helpful resources. Create a resource hub where affiliates can access frequently asked questions, best practices, and even a community where they can connect with others. This can be a shared Google Drive, a private Slack channel, or even a portal in the software you're using. The goal is to give affiliates everything they need to be successful without having to ask you every question. Now, let's talk about the software we're using. If you're looking for a one-stop solution to manage everything from training videos to affiliate tracking, this software is the way to go. It's simple, efficient, and customizable to your needs. And for those of you watching right now, you can take advantage of an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. Trust me, this software will streamline the whole affiliate onboarding process and save you a ton of time. Another tip when onboarding affiliates is to set clear expectations. Make sure they understand the affiliate program structure, the commission rates, and any deadlines for payments. You don't want any surprises down the road, so make everything transparent and easily accessible. Once your affiliates have gone through the training videos and accessed the resources, make sure to check in with them regularly. Offering ongoing support and feedback helps keep them motivated and ensures they're always on track. It's also a great way to catch any issues early on, so they don't affect the affiliate's performance. Key takeaway: successful affiliate onboarding is about providing clear, engaging training videos, accessible resources, and ongoing support. Be sure to streamline your process, keep things simple, and set expectations up front. To wrap up, make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. This software will make it easy to onboard and manage affiliates effectively. Remember, the goal is to create a system that's easy for both you and your affiliates, so you can focus on growing your business.